I want to talk about a time when I did something very hard, but I still succeeded. This happened when I was in school and I had to give a speech in front of the class. I was very shy and nervous to speak in front of many people. Speaking in public was always scary for me. When my teacher asked me to give a speech, I wanted to say no, but I decided to try because I wanted to be brave. I chose a topic I liked, which was about helping animals. I wrote my speech on paper and started to practice it every day. I stood in front of the mirror and said the words many times. Sometimes I made mistakes, but I did not stop. I asked my friend to listen and tell me how I was doing. My friend said I was improving day by day. Every night I read my speech aloud before sleeping. My family helped me and told me, "You can do it." On the day of the speech, I woke up early and read my paper again. My hands were shaking and my heart was beating very fast. I stood in front of the class and looked at everyone. I felt very scared, but I took a deep breath. Then I started speaking slowly and clearly. I tried to remember everything I practiced. I felt proud of myself because I did something I was always afraid to do. My friends smiled and told me, "You were very brave today." My parents were also happy and said they knew I could do it. That day, I learned that practice really helps when something is difficult. I also learned that fear can go away when we face it. After that day, I became more confident in school. I started speaking more in class and answering questions. I even helped another student prepare for their own speech. I told them it is okay to be nervous, but you must keep trying. The more you try, the better you become. That small success gave me the power to do many new things. I started joining small competitions and group activities in school. I also became part of the school drama club to practice speaking. I found that speaking became easier the more I practiced. My English teacher told me I had improved a lot in just 1 month. That made me feel even more excited to learn new things. I realized that hard things become easy with time and patience. I now believe that I can do anything if I don't give up. Before the speech, I thought I could never do something like that. But after doing it, I felt like a different person, stronger and smarter. That day changed my thinking and made me braver. I now tell my younger brother to try even when things are hard. He looks up to me and says, "If you can do it, I can too." I feel proud when someone gets inspired by my story. I always remember that day because it showed me I am stronger than I thought.
Thanks for listening. Like, comment, and subscribe to the English Cue Cards for more easy English practice every week. See you next time.